मुश्किल की कहेंगे से मुश्किल 20 तक ले गए यहाँ से जैस बरास किया ना
So coming back, Hussain Al Drabgam, they need to nail a chase of 185 if they have to win a big title, big match here in the Boggy Gulshan Cricket Stadium. 186 is the total they have to made because RCC Radis Ramu, they made a total of 185. Now it is up to Hussain Al Drabgam that they have to nail a chase of 185 if they have to win a big match here in the Boggy Gulshan Cricket Stadium, Bagandar, Pulwama. So the two batters, they have just come on. They are just seeing how to play, where to play, and everything is set now, everything is ready now. And the fielders, bowlers, everybody is set. And Hussain Al Drabgam, they will have to chase a total of 185. And they have come firmly, and I think the total, which was not looking 185, but RCC Radis Ramu, especially Roop Hamid, what a batting, he made the 50, he just kept alive the hopes of RCC Radis Ramu by making that 50 runs. And in the start of the game, RCC Ramu, they were crumbling, they were just bundling, and we were expecting that just 130, 140 will be the total made, but the credit goes to this Roop Hamid for making that 50 runs, and by one way or other way, this RCC Radis Ramu, they have made 185. Now it is Hussain Al Drabgam. The two batters are ready. Bowler is also ready. Just a spin attack. Once again we are seeing from this time played very well, but slip fielder very quick and no run. First ball, in the very first ball from the RCC Radis Ramu, Hussain Al Drabgam have not scored a single run. So Hussain Al Drabgam, this RCC Radis Ramu, they also use intelligence as they have attacked spin attack. This time bowlers going far from the off stump, and they have very good bowling. This RCC Radis Ramu, and Hussain Al Drabgam will have to think something different. The two batters, they are also known for their big batting, but they will have to take time on the wickets if they have to understand the pitch quite comfortable. And this time they have got successful in making the first run for their team, and Hussain Al Drabgam won on the board, and no wicket has gone to the pavilion. The two openers are safe there, and this is the over number first in progress for the Hussain Al Drabgam. This is RCC Radis Ramu versus Hussain Al Drabgam, one of the fighting match. We are expecting a very good fight between the two teams. It is all the time. This is January number 3, and he uses the pad this time. Chance about no. The ball has gone from the head of the fielder towards the Darisgah side for 4 runs. So they have opened this. The opener, they had the total with the 4. What a shot that was, and the ball raced to the boundary line for 4 runs, and the score has now gone to the 5. Slowly and steadily, if they will clear, the wickets will remain intact. Definitely a time is ripening for them, time is waiting for them. They will make that 186. So these two batters of Hussain Al Drabgam, they are trying at their level best, but in this pitch of the Bagandar, they will have to play differently. They have a lot of batting. I am not knowing whether Danish Drabgam is playing today or not. Yes, he is playing. Saklan is saying that Danish Drabgam is playing, and he is one of the best batsmen who is playing in many leagues. Experienced companion from Hussain Al. Oh, this time what a heave! Doesn't connecting the ball properly, and wicketkeeper behind this time collects the ball. 4 balls have already been bowled here by Hussain. This RCC, bigger pardon, 5 balls have been bowled. This is the last ball. Batsman coming down the track, but just a single, not power behind the shot, and 6 runs have been scored in the very first over from the side of Hussain Al Drabgam, and all the batsmen are safe. None of the batter has gone to the pavilion. 6 on the board. No batsman has gone to the pavilion. Hussain Al Drabgam. and they have to nail a chase of 186. That is gettable, but provided these two batters will remain on the wicket.
बिल्कुल आपका कहना बिल्कुल सही है. एक कैच ड्रॉप जरूर हुआ था लॉन्ग ऑन पे जो खिलाड़ी मौजूद थे, और अगर वो कैच पकड़े तो दबाव आ सकता था इस टीम पे, लेकिन पहले ओवर में 6 ही बने विकेट्स अगर आप हासिल करेंगे लगातार अंतराज पे तभी दबाव बना सकते हैं आप हुसैन अदरबगाम पे. अगर दोनों बैटर्स खड़े रहे, पावर प्ले पूरा खेला इन्होंने, तो फिर वो ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा आने वाले बल्लेबाजों के लिए, क्योंकि रुके रेट फिर ज़्यादा होगी नहीं.
Definitely, because if these two batters, this opening pad will remain on the wickets, if they will play here, they will remain on the wickets, and definitely a time will come for them. And Saklan is rightly saying that if they will play 6 overs, at least 6 overs, they will play the power play, then definitely they will pick up the momentum, they will read this pitch correctly, they will be able to understand the bowling. Meanwhile, another good delivery, and this is Mr. Faisal who is bowling at this stage. Faisal, a very short guy, but very energetic, small guy from the side of RCC Radisromu. He is bowling at a very gun speed. He is bowling very, very fast deliveries. He is bowling at gun speed. Crossing the umpire this time, played very intelligently, but he cannot beat the fielder on that side. And once again, no run has happened. No run has been resulted, and the score continues remaining 6 for the loss of no wicket. Hussain 11 Drabgam bowling first. They are chasing a total of 185. Faisal, long run up, crossing the umpire. Oh, bowled him! What a delivery on that occasion, and I think that was outswing at the delivery.
और विकेट हासिल करते हुए पहला झटका लगता हुआ यहाँ पे, और हुसैन 11 द्रबगाम को लगता हुआ ये बड़ा झटका.
And Saklan was rightly saying that 185, it is a very, very dangerous total from the side of this Hussain 11 Drabgam will have to work hard. They will have to play proper cricketing shots. They will have to not only remain on the wickets, but they will have to think the accuracy of these bowlers, because these are the start overs of the game, and Faisal will be bowling with the great energy and great momentum. So if Hussain 11 Drabgam have to preserve this match, if they will have to save this match, if they will have to continue in this trophy, then definitely a time is waiting for them. Hussain 11 Drabgam will have to remain on the wickets, because this is just over number second, and first batter has already gone to the pavilion, and now the batter who has just come on the crease, it is Danish Drabgami, who is known for his best batting, who is the biggest hope for Hussain 11 Drabgam. And Danish Drabgami, perhaps he is playing from Panchal side as well. Perhaps he is the member of Panchal Super League as well, and he is known one of the best batter. He has played many leagues, but he has to just show his talent here, cricketing talent here. He has to help his team in nailing a chase of 185. If Danish Drabgami will stand here, he will have to play like a rock here. He will have to play like a Jubal Rocker. Oh, this time played, but not beating the slip fielder on that occasion, and the score just resting at 6 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
अब बिल्कुल 6 एक खिलाड़ी के नुकसान पे दानिश की कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी है. यहाँ से 1 डाउन की पोजीशन में आए बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए, अपनी टीम के लिए परफॉर्म करना होगा. यहाँ पे हुसैन 11 द्रबगाम की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो दानिश का रहना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एक बड़ी पारी आज एक्सपेक्ट करेगी टीम इनसे, वो खेले. छोटी गेंद मिली, शॉर्ट आर्म पुल, और गेंद निकल गई है बॉडी लाइन से बाहर 4 रन के लिए. छोटी गेंद ना करे तो बेहतर रहेगा इनके लिए, और छोटी गेंद इनके लिए की और सही नसीहत दी दानिश ने, और गेंद गई बॉल लाइन से बाहर 4 रन के लिए.
But I am just seeing that as Danish Drabgami has reached on this pitch, it clearly looks he has some good intentions, because he is playing fearlessly. Because in the very first ball he played very softly, and in the second, in the short delivery was bowled by Faisal, and he converted that into 4. Oh, another great shot, and it will race away to the boundary line for 4 runs. This is the nice timing. This is the intelligent cricket.
और क्या बढ़िया शॉट है, बैकफुट पे शॉट खेला आसान होता नहीं है, और एक काइंड ऑफ बैकफुट पंच भी वहां पे नजर आया, और गेंद निकल गई बॉडी लाइन से बाहर 4 रन के लिए. क्या बढ़िया स्ट्रोक है इस बार दानिश के बल्ले से आता हुआ, और गेंद पलक झपकते ही निकल गई बॉडी लाइन से बाहर 4 रन के लिए.
As the bat struck with the ball, it clearly looks that it will race away to the boundary line for 4 runs. So what a shot! 2 fours in 2 consecutive balls from the hands of Danish Dabgami. What a player he is! And I was expecting the same from him, because I have heard many cricket. I have seen many cricket by this young lad from the Dabgam, and he's playing quite beautifully. Oh, that ball was played very well, and the batsman will just come for a single, and he has all the time in the world to complete that single. Danish Dabgami, 2 fours and a single, and he has gone on 9. He's a big and biggest hope. Compliment, they will have to also support him. Bowler, oh, another good delivery, oh, little bit of fumble, and ball has gone, but just a single, because not power behind that shot, not strength there.